Hi, this is Nitin Gaur Gunnala. I'm going to explain today about the business intelligence and data-driven decision making in UK banking. Introduction, the coming to the introduction part, the UK banking sector is vital for economic growth by providing financial services. Moreover, in UK, banks are increasingly using business analytics to enhance their operations. This involves analyzing data to identify trends and make informed decisions. The study focused on 10 UK banks and how they utilize financial data by using analytics. Banks can improve efficiency and gain insights into customer needs. The overall goal is to make banking smarter and effective to everyone. The next slide is about the analysis of total assets in UK banks. We aim to find the average total assets of 10 banks after analyzing the data. We calculated the average the assets across these banks is about 698,679.75. This figure helps us understand the financial strength of these banks. It also provides insight into their overall impact on the economy. Coming to the next analysis of total liabilities in UK banks. We wanted to understand the total liabilities of 10 banks after analyzing the data. We found the average total liabilities across these banks is approximately 668,404.43. This number helps us gauge how much these banks owe. Understanding liabilities is crucial for assessing their financial health and stability. These are the points coming to the next analysis of net interest income in UK banks. We wanted to see the range of net interest income among the banks. The highest net interest income we found is 27,381.6. The lowest net interest income is just 101.6. This is to find the difference, we subtract the lowest from the highest. So after subtraction of these both values, this gives us the difference of 27,280, showing the verification in earnings among the banks. Next, analysis of net profit in UK banks. We analyzed the net profit of 10 banks. The average net profit we calculated is minus 8,745.58. The negative point indicates that on average these banks are operating at a loss. So it highlighted the potential challenges they may be facing in generating profits. Coming to the next, analysis of revenue in UK banks. So we conducted an analysis of average revenue of 10 banks. The total average of 10 banks revenue, the total average revenue from all banks combined is 103,421.68. So to find the average revenue for each bank, we divide this by total number of banks, which is 10. This calculation gives us an average revenue of 10,342.17 for each bank. This average helps us access the financial health and performance of these banks in the market. Next, summary statistics. So the summary statistics is like we analyze the net profit data to understand this distribution and key statistics. The mean net profit is like minus 8,745.58, which indicating a loss on average. The standard error is 13,531.05, which shows a variability of the sample mean. The standard deviation among these banks is like 59,000 to 56.85, which indicating a wide spread of net profit values. And the skewness, which is the negative of these banks, is like minus 2.11, indicating a leftward skew in the distribution of net profits. Coming to correlation analysis, we examine the relationship between total assets and total liabilities. The correlation coefficient is like 0.983619. This value indicates a strong positive correlation between the two variables, between two total assets increase, total liabilities also tend to increase. Coming to regression analysis, we conducted a regression analysis to understand to between revenue, net profit, and net interest income. The R square value for net is 0.00893, meaning only 8.93% of revenue variation can be explained by net profit. The P value for net profit is 0.025, which is less than 0.05, indicating a statistically significant relationship. This means that every unit increase in net interest income revenue increases by 1.3153 units, indicating a positive correlation. So coming to business intelligence in UK banking, optimizing risk management is like by tools helps banks identify potential risk by analyzing historical data. One more thing is AI and machine learning analyze the data transactions for transaction patterns to spot anomalies like real-time data monitoring, continuous tracking of transaction, which ensures compliance with regulations, and this monitoring helps helps banks respond quickly to such suspicious activities. So these are the references in the slides. Thank you.